Every Shiba Inu owner and cryptocurrency investor may rejoice. BlackRock's cryptocurrency investments have received a significant upgrade that has the potential to significantly alter the industry. If you're in the market for some upbeat information, stay on watching. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. First things first, BlackRock's application for Bitcoin ETFs was approved by the SEC in the United States. This implies that BlackRock's proposal for a Bitcoin ETF may now undergo its formal assessment. BlackRock has recently taken the first step on its crypto adventure with the acceptance of its application. The fact that the application was approved, however, indicates that things are improving. Now, Cointelegraph provides an explanation of ETFs for people who are still confused. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are financial vehicles that track the performance of one or more underlying indexes and trade like stocks. In the cryptocurrency world, an exchange-traded fund, ETF, is any fund that tracks the value of one or more digital tokens by holding a basket of different cryptocurrencies. Therefore, they are crucial in the big picture. BlackRock is not the only corporation that recently filed for crypto ETFs, however. Wise Origin, Bitcoin Trust, and WisdomTree are among the other firms that have applied to the SEC for Bitcoin ETFs and other crypto ETFs and are now awaiting clearance. However, because of BlackRock's prominence in the financial sector, its application has garnered the greatest attention and support. If BlackRock is granted permission to manage Bitcoin ETFs, it would cause significant disruption in the cryptocurrency industry. It's worth noting at this juncture that a spot Bitcoin ETF has not yet been authorized by the SEC in the United States. However, this doesn't always imply they won't, particularly since they have been accepting applications. It may simply indicate that they are the target of excessive picking. Difficult, which I suppose may be a positive thing. What's more, if there is any corporation that has the potential of having its place authorized, it's undoubtedly BlackRock. They should be able to persuade the SEC that they are the best option since they have investments in almost every major firm today. Something else that you need to have in mind is that although the SEC in the US has yet to approve any spot Bitcoin ETF, a handful of them have been authorized in Canada. It's possible that this just indicates that Canada is more crypto-friendly than the US. However, this may also indicate that the applying firms, or at the very least BlackRock, have a fighting chance. There's nothing we can do except wait and watch. Having stated that, how does SHIB fit into this picture? The crypto market, of which SHIB is a part, would therefore see BlackRock's entry. How this impacts SHIB should be quite obvious. BlackRock's entry into the cryptocurrency market would provide credibility to the sector, which is essential for driving sales. If a major player like BlackRock can invest in cryptocurrency, it must be legitimate. It's safe to assume that following BlackRock, a large number of new investors will join the cryptocurrency market. Of course, many of those folks would gravitate towards Bitcoin since BlackRock is applying for Bitcoin ETFs. Finbold claims that Bitcoin proponents think that such a green light would spark institutional adoption of Bitcoin, which in turn would improve Bitcoin's liquidity and market involvement, and maybe propel it to new heights as the world's top cryptocurrency. But because SHIB is one of the largest cryptocurrencies right now, although it is still very reasonable, we can also anticipate some of those folks to go into SHIB. As I said before, however, only time will tell. Please leave a comment and spread the word if you found this video helpful. It aids YouTube's algorithm, which in turn helps me produce higher quality videos. To put BlackRock's entry into the cryptocurrency market in perspective, consider that the price of gold increased by almost 350% the day after the first gold ETF was given regulatory approval. Gold's price rose consistently throughout the years, from roughly $450 when the first gold ETF was established to $1,820 in August of 2011. Some could argue that this just demonstrates their closeness, but the growth seems to have been caused by the introduction of the ETF. The cryptocurrency market needs that price boost badly at the moment. While things may not seem so awful right now, the cryptocurrency industry is still quite a ways from where it was in 2021. It requires a lot of help to start rising again. And if the gold ETF performance is any indication, the introduction of a Bitcoin ETF may provide that lift. However, we still have a long to wait. In the meanwhile, the cryptocurrency industry may need to seek for other drivers of growth. All the things the Shiba Inu development team is working on at the moment may be considered boosters. Shibarium is the most significant and hence should have the most effect on SHIB prices. Fortunately, we now know when the platform will go live. That means the verdict on whether or not Shibarium deserves its reputation will be known in the next several weeks. However, Shiba Inu is not without other plans. Given the current state of affairs with Ledger, the release of the Shiba Inu cold wallet should help increase demand for Shiba Inu. The new Shiba Inu token treat, Shibarium, is expected to debut around the same time. All of these ideas may send Shib on a bullish run while we wait for Blackrock or any other business to have its Bitcoin ETF authorized. Speaking of which, market watchers have been debating how much the price of SHIB would rise if an ETF were approved for Bitcoin. It would seem that the price of SHIB and Bitcoin have been highly correlated over the previous year and a half. Basically, the price of SHIB has tracked the value of Bitcoin rather closely, both up and down. This further illustrates why the SHIB price may benefit from Bitcoin ETF certification. But how big may that effect be, really? It seems to have the potential to make a major difference. In 2024, Standard Chartered Bank, now one of the largest Bitcoin investors, expects to raise its Bitcoin holdings to over $120,000. In addition to the approval of BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, this boost would undoubtedly be positive for Bitcoin's value. If Bitcoin continues its upward trend, then SHIB is expected to follow suit, according to market analysts. What's more, the next halving season for Bitcoin is only around the corner, happening in April 2024. SHIB wasn't even in orbit by the time its half season ended in May of 2020. But Bitcoin's value rose by about 600% from the time of its halving and noon of 2021. SHIB did finally start, and observers appear to agree that the positive run it saw in 2021 was at least somewhat attributable to the Bitcoin halving that had occurred the year before. Now you know that SHIB can survive till the next Bitcoin halving occurs. Not only will SHIB continue to exist, but it also has complete support from the Shiba Inu people. So, it would not be altogether out of place to anticipate SHIB to pump in the aftermath of the halving in 2024. The token may even be able to remove certain zeros, something it has been struggling with for some time. SHIB and the whole crypto industry might need a lift, however, it is unclear whether or not the price pump would be as great as the almost 600% that Bitcoin saw last year. The cryptocurrency market might need a lift, and one of the things highlighted in this video, the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF or the Bitcoin halving, could provide one. Is it feasible that the cryptocurrency market might see a bull run? Think about adding your 2 cents to the discussion down below. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.